Gatsinga featuring Kivumbi King, and you're listening to 94.3. And we've got Gatsinga right now in studio. How are you doing today? Welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm doing great.
So, tell me about this song that we just listened to, Dawa.
Dawa is a project that I and Kivumbi made about a year and a couple months ago. I was in the middle of shooting the last song I released, Peekaboo.
Mm-hmm.
I was in Musanze, Kivumbi was heading to Karongi. He had a team of producers, I had a team of videographers, and then we just met. We did a song in one day, recorded it, shot it, and it was ready to go. It was instant.
So wait, is this song out? Is the video out?
Yeah, there is a video.
Oh.
Yeah, there is a video to it.
So is this song in the EP?
No, it's not in the EP.
So why is it not in the EP?
The EP is a little bit different. I'm trying to find a little new sound. So this EP mainly has EDM soundy electronic feel to it, a little bit poppy and bouncier vibes compared to what I used to release.
Okay, so what made you decide to change?
No, it's not changing. It's experimenting more like it. Like I'm an artist and I have to keep trying new stuff all the time. So this is not a change. It's more like let me see what this feels like.
So for someone who is meeting you for the first time or listening, who just listened to your song for the first time, how would you describe Gatsinga to them?
Oof, and that's a good question. A little bit over the top guy. Always trying new stuff. Super artistic. I guess I don't know what else I can say. Some good stuff, I can say.
And you speak a couple of languages. I just found out. Yeah,
I do.
How many languages do you speak?
Speak a little French. No, I speak French fluently. English, Kinyarwanda, Spanish, a little bit of Portuguese and Italian too.
Oh, I think you should give us a sentence of each language you speak. Tell me something in Spanish.
What would you like me to say?
I'm happy to be at Royal FM.
Estoy muy feliz de estar aquí en Royal FM.
Okay, that sounds amazing. So I want to ask you a very controversial question, and then we get back to your EP. Which language is more romantic? Since you speak French and you speak Spanish, and there's always been this argument, Spanish is more romantic, French is more romantic. Between the two,
French, all the way to go.
French is more
French
romantic.
is more romantic. Yeah, Spanish is more calmer. Spanish is more calmer, but I think French is more romantic.
I agree with you. And I'm so glad you said that, because if you said Spanish, I'm like, I don't know. So let's talk about your EP. When are you releasing it? Tell us about the name. Tell us about the inspiration behind your EP.
So the inspiration behind my EP. Okay, the name of the EP is Feel the Sun. It's titled after one of my songs, Feel the Sun. The inspiration to the EP started when me and my producer, we work together really closely. He goes by Lord Kenshim. We wanted to try something new. It started with a drum and bass vibe of B song, which will be on the EP. And then we were like, I like this sound. What if we just tried to make like a couple songs in this experimental feel because I have a lot of songs ready for releasing, but we wanted a little break, a little something just for fun. That's how the EP came to mind. So it's Feel the Sun.
Feel the Sun.
Yeah.
I like it. I really like it. What's your favorite song from Feel the Sun?
Feel the Sun.
Do you want to sing it for us? I'd love to hear Feel the Sun.
Feel the Sun. Yeah, I can sing a little bit of it.
Okay, go ahead.
I can finally feel the sun not burning me, but warming me. I hear sweet melodies from everywhere and all the streets. Don't need to be in love with nobody for me to live life like it's a party. Don't need to be in love with nobody for me to live life like it's a party.
I like it. I like the lyrics. You don't need to be in love with nobody for you to
live life like it's a party.
I like that. So do you live by that? Do you believe that?
I now do. Yeah, I
Now?
know. Yeah,
Why didn't you believe it before?
yeah. Because before I just go by experiences.
Mm.
I used to think that it's you always have to have somebody with you, but then lately
Facts.
I've meditation and time with
Mm.
yourself. I learned to love myself, so I don't need to be in love with nobody for me to enjoy the stuff I should be enjoying to begin with.
I bet someone out there needed to hear that. And I always say, you're actually not lonely. You're just alone. And there's
True,
nothing bad about being alone, right?
Yeah.
So, Sunday, what's happening on Sunday?
Oh yeah, Sunday I have an event at Sud Kigali. I'll be releasing. That will be people will be getting the first live experience of the EP. I'll be playing more songs, of course. So it'll be the introduction of Feel the Sun to the world. I'll be releasing my babies out to the world.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is so cute how you call them. I've been releasing my babies to the world. I want to play one song by you, by the way. And it's with you and Logan Joe. Do you want to tell us about it?
Feel the Sun, actually.
That's Feel the Sun?
Yeah, that's Feel the
Oh,
Sun.
wow. You just gave us an acapella
I
Feel the
actually
Sun.
gave you an acapella of Feel the Sun.
So we might as well listen to the actual song.
Yes, please.
All right.
Go ahead. This is a song called Ndakure Kuvuge. Goes, they push you off a cliff fall with no parachute. Now my heart's too stiff, won't catch me in pursuit. Now you think you chiff, but you still act a fool. I could start a biff, but I won't change my mood. I'll just keep focused on the bake. I'll go and never call you back. Just keep focused on the bag. I'll go and never call you back. Ndakure kuvuge, 'cause I don't give two shits. Jesiko navutse, urashaka duse. That's a bit.
I love it. So you're releasing the EP very, very soon.
Yeah, this Sunday.
This Sunday. Where can we get the tickets to the release?
To the release, you can just show up at the door. There's enough space. You can also shoot me a text on IG, on Instagram at Gatsinga. That's GATSINGA. I'm always gonna be uploading there, updating about how many tickets are left or if there's any door entries left. And yeah, that's it, I guess.
So where is it happening?
At
Yes.
Sud Kigali, 4 p.m.
Sud Kigali, 4 p.m. on a
and-
Sunday.
Yeah, on a Sunday.
I think that's the perfect day to listen to, the type of music that you do and the type of voice that you have. I just want to say thank you so much for coming through to the drive time into Royal FM.
It's been a pleasure.
And
Been
we
a
can't
pleasure,
wait
and thank you
to...
for having me too.
You're welcome. We can't wait to have you back. You're going to come back, right?
Let me know. I'll be available.
Make sure you go ahead and appear or attend Sud Kigali, Feel the Sun, the release of Feel the Sun, the EP by Gatsinga, this Sunday. And you've heard his beautiful music, and there's so much more in store. You always got you right here in Royal FM when it comes to artists with beautiful sounds, something different for you, because at the end of the day, we are the rhythm of Kigali. But for now, I'm going to get back to the music, and it only gets better when it comes to Royal FM. So keep it locked.
Drive Time, your passport to the hottest music from around the globe.